Tonight we're learning more about the man charged with killing an 18-year-old and his alleged history of violence.
Jonathan Belk is charged with the murder of 18-year-old Billy Floyd. According to the police report, Belk found his wife in bed with Floyd. Now, Belk is accused of stabbing Floyd to death and stuffing his body into a trash can. Belk's wife was also stabbed, but she is now recovering.
News Channel 9's Sarah Howard talked to a woman who says her son was assaulted by Belk years before. Sarah.
Maggie Kim, one mother I spoke with, tells me her son was attacked by Jonathan Belk 12 years ago inside of a Walmart. She says his violent past should have been a warning.
Angie Cash says she wasn't surprised when she heard Jonathan Belk had been arrested for murder.
They should have seen this one coming.
Cash says 12 years ago, her own son, just 16 at the time, was attacked by Belk inside a Walmart when Belk was 29.
Jonathan's story was that his wife at the time, Jada, had told him in Walmart that my son had been staring at her and made a sexual gesture towards her.
Cash says she finds this hard to believe.
Everybody in the community knew my son, knows that he would not have. One of the most polite kids ever, and I could never, ever see him doing that.
Court records show Belk was initially charged with assault on a minor. However, that charge was later reduced to vandalism. Belk was ordered to pay restitution for the family's medical bills and for the work Cash missed while caring for her son. Now Belk faces a more serious charge, criminal homicide, after deputies say they found 18-year-old Billie Jean Floyd stuffed inside a bloody trash can. According to this affidavit, when deputies questioned Belk, he said, quote, "I offed him."
The two, Jada and Billy, had a sexual relationship starting when he was 15, or at least in the last 2 years. Is there any confirmation of that?
Well, that is part of the investigation, of course. We still have, as a matter of fact, our people are out doing interviews now on the case, so we will continue those efforts. I do anticipate there will be more charges filed in this case.
But Brandy says there had been warning signs for years.
He did say to him a while back, once he got 18, he was going to kill him.
Cash says this tragedy hits close to home.
Regardless of what this young man was involved in with the wife or whatever, doesn't matter. He was a child. He had just turned to be a legal adult, and my heart breaks for them.
Brandy Smart is Floyd's godmother and says she's known him since he was born. Belk was scheduled to appear in court today, but his bond hearing has been pushed to March 27th. The judge has sent the case to the district attorney. Kim.
Sarah, thank you. We reached out to Jada Golston and Jonathan Belk's attorney, but neither returned our calls.